Good morning. Here I am at the start of my hike to Mummy Mountain at the Trail Canyon trailhead. That'll intersect with the North Loop trailhead and so on and so forth. Assuming I make it. Of course, if I don't make it, I'm not going to post this video, so I guess you'll never know. Beautiful day. Rainy yesterday, rainy this morning, but then it all cleared up. It's about 7 o'clock. Well, we're getting close to the saddle, maybe, I don't know, quarter mile or so, where Trail Canyon Trail intersects with North Loop Trail. Sun is beautiful, as is the surrounding scenery. That would be Mount Charleston. Okay, we're at the intersection of Trail Canyon Trail and the North Loop Trail. I think those are the toes of Mummy Mountain, pretty sure. We have to go up this trail here about 1.5 miles or so before we go up the ski slope and then along the ridge to the top. Won't be going to Charleston Peak today. I have done this trail before and that was fun. It was hard, but it was fun. Typical beautiful day here in southern Nevada, in the mountains. Quaking aspens. Nature comes back after a fire. This was a while ago, I don't know how long. 40, 50 years ago, I think. Got some concerning clouds right there. Well, hikers are always nice. M stands for Mummy. Arrow to the right. This is the ski slope, and you can also pick up for, there's a sort of use path. And up to there. Well, we're about 10,400 feet in lowland John Austin Ridge. It's getting a little huffy and puffy, but we'll see what happens. Well, as you can tell by my breath, this is steep. Little baby steps, a few feet at a time. I've hiked before, sooner or later you get there, I think. Well, almost to the top of the ski slope. This is looking back down. That's what we call in the hiking biz as steep. Darn. I guess I'll be sliding down. I don't know if I'll be walking that. We'll see. Well, I made it to the top of the ski slope. It was the hardest, I don't know what that is, 1/4 mile of hiking I've ever done in my entire life. And that's just not the age speaking. And I made a little way up the trail here. We're going Mummy Mountain's right there. But I just don't have the legs in me to continue. So I'm gonna rest a bit and go back down that steep slope, which looks pretty steep, and I'll be careful. Hold on. Another John Ridge hiking adventure. See you to the next one. I knew you wanted that.